Did that in less than 30 seconds. And then we're gonna come over here, look at that. As soon as you get right here, look at that. It don't make sense. It doesn't make sense for it to work like that. You see that? We're gonna do from here. Oh, you see that already. We're gonna do from here and. All right, we're gonna redo these. Show you what it look like. See that? We're gonna bring that back. We're gonna do this in less than 30 seconds. We're gonna start now. All right, so we just grabbed these from outside. Show you exactly what we got here. No, it's not doing nothing. These are still faded, or not faded, but they just need some more work. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how we're gonna do this. Let me put this on the tripod. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is, there's still a couple of black marks right there, right there. I'm just gonna want a little eraser and see if I can get some of it out. Just gonna do that on all the spots. Just gonna go ahead and show you how this brush works, because that's something y'all don't wanna know. Y'all wanna know how this works. So basically you're just gonna take this, you're gonna take this brush right here, just go back and forth on it. Just like that. You can already see it kind of turning. But I only did a couple strokes. We're gonna just keep on going like this. We're gonna do from here. Oh, you see that already. We're gonna do from here and over. And then we're gonna come back and show you what this looks like this. Not doing nothing. And we're gonna show you how it looks over here. Honestly, I would see why people would be hating, or why they wouldn't buy it, because it don't make sense. It doesn't make sense for it to work like that. You see that? You would think that's fake. Did that in less than 30 seconds. And then we're gonna come over here, look at that. As soon as you get right here, look at that. You know what? Y'all think it's fake. We're gonna go in and do it right here, just for y'all to see. There is nothing. All right, we'll take this right here. We ain't even gonna move it off camera. I don't want no excuses saying, oh, he did something off camera. Nope. Saying you better get you a brush before we run out. Watch this. Look at that. That was just a couple strokes too. I mean, I'm gonna finish this on both shoes, but that's it. I'm telling you, get you this brush. We have it linked in the TikTok shop. It's on our website at ongosneakers.com. Get it before we run out.